Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Fomo app stop working right after you updated your iPhone to a new iOS version? Here's the quick fix. First, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down at the same time. Slide the power off, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. iOS updates create temporary conflict with the apps, and a full restart clears most of these right away. After reopening, then open App Store and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Scroll down and look for Fomo in the list of available updates. Since Fomo Labs typically pushes iOS compatibility patches quickly after major app releases, tap update immediately if one is showing. If there is none and Fomo is still broken, then go to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage. Scroll down to the list of apps, find Fomo, tap on it, and then tap offload app. After offloading it, go to the app store, search for the app, and then reinstall it fresh from there. This will get a clean build for your current iOS. So all you gotta do is restart your iPhone, check the app store for a Fomo update, upload and offload and reinstall if needed. Fomo works on your new iOS, and that's it. Subscribe.